My dear scholars, as the management ideas and the management thoughts are progressing at a time when scientific management and its ideas about efficiency and mass production are being welcomed. Yes, profitability is very important. Productivity is also very important. It is required. Mass production is a mean where you produce abundance of the produced and material goods. It brings profitability to the investor, to the person who has invested the financial resources. But what important is, how about the people working behind the machine? How about the people working on the assembly line? How about the human beings who are actually the source of producing those goods? उसकी भी तो कुछ बात होनी चाहिए, उसकी भी तो कहीं placement होनी चाहिए. So that was the idea which was brought in the development of the thoughts in the discipline of management while we are entering into the 20th century. Technology is welcome. New engineering designs and production machines were being welcomed. It was helping to increase the efficiency. Certainly, it was becoming the cause of a larger and greater number of profits because more products were being produced. But at the same time now, the question is that the organizations are not only composed of machines and material things. Organizations as a whole is not the name of buildings and the four walls around the machines. Organization is a place where human beings are working. Is it true or not? ये आइडिया इमर्ज होने लगा, ये आइडिया डिस्कस होने लगा और मैनेजमेंट स्कॉलर्स इसके बारे में सोचने लगे कि then what is the place of human beings along with the material beings while we are discussing the efficiency issues and the mass production issues and the technology issues in the organization. So in other words, are people important? अभी ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है कि are they more important than material or not? Are they more important than machine or not? Are they more important than technology or not? यानी वो जो हम कहा करते हैं, is it the person sitting on the gun? So thinking about it, is it the gun which is important? Gun is a machine made of material. Or is it the person who is driving the gun, who is running the gun, who is firing the gun is more important? His behavior, his attitude, his thoughts, his beliefs, his intentions, all of them are affecting his body, his hands, which is actually, at the end of the day, is providing the production action. So the question is, besides technical brilliance, besides the ideas of scientific management, the question is human element, the soul of human being. Where is the place? So that is the question which start emerging in the management scholar, and the management scholars start discussing. When we speak of functions of management, what importance should we give to the people part of the management? So scholars, some of them who were more people oriented rather than process oriented, they were sort of biased to see towards the scientific management and mass production as if, yes, it is providing material wealth. Yes, it is adding to the GDP of the country. Of course, we are talking of European countries, Western countries, developed countries at that time. But At the same time, is it at the human cost? So if it is at the human cost, then the feeling is that perhaps the scientific management has taken a wrong turn. Let's look about it, let's think about it, and let's try to bring the discipline of management with the involvement of people at the right place. It was time to see that the study of people, along with the study of machine and study of production and study of operation and study of material, everything should also be treated same way as the material resources. That became the basis of later on adding the discipline or sub-discipline of human resource management in management. Thank you very much.